it going today, guys? This is Sam from KYGUNCO in Louisville. Wanted to let you know about the new BowTech series and specifically about one of their specific bows that I just bought and upgraded to. So BowTech came out with 3 new bows this past year, the Carbon One, the SS34, and the CP30. I decided to go with the Carbon One primarily because it's a carbon bow. So some features about it: it's max speed if you got the right grainage and arrow, and just seeing how your arrow weight goes. Can get up to 335 feet per second. The draw length can adjust from 25.5 to 30.5 inches. Your draw weight can adjust from 50 to 70 pounds. The overall bow weight is 4.5 before having your accessories on it. So what's cool about this bow is it's all carbon, which helps reduce vibration, and it makes great for all-weather comfort. What's cool about this also is it has rotating modules for the cams, so you can adjust your draw length a lot easier instead of having to set it up on a press or putting a different module in it. It just literally just rotates. You undo some of these screws, rotate it to where you need it, tighten it back up. The other thing that's really cool and what BowTech's really known for now is their DeadLock Cam System. Fastest and easiest way to tune your bow. All you got to do is unlock this guy, tune it, adjust it a little bit, and it's on both cams, and then you lock it back. Easy for in-field use. It's got a DeadLock pocket system. Sorry for the delay. What this does is it connects your riser to both of your limbs, locks it down. So when you adjust your draw length, you have to unlock it, adjust, and tighten it back down. So it keeps everything pretty locked up and good for consistency. Another thing that's cool about the newer BowTech's is they have the Orbit Dampeners. The Orbit Dampeners help reduce vibration and noise because they are in line with your string travel. It's got a dovetail mounting system down here for your arrow rest right in here, which helps reduce movement. So another cool feature about this bow, or the newer BowTech's, has an FLX guarding system. So it holds your cables in just like any other bow, but it helps reduce torque and helps produce better consistency. Then the other big thing with this bow is your grip. It's a clutch performance grip, and it's ensured to reduce torque. And then the other big thing about this guy is obviously it's a carbon bow. So as being a carbon bow, it's great for all-weather comfort, and it helps reduce vibration within the bow. So that's a big reason why I picked this bow out as my new bow. I'm not usually a big guy to upgrade my bow every year like some people. My old bow I had for probably about 8 years. But when I saw this guy come out, I really was interested. I shot it. Really smooth draw cycle, really smooth shot. So anyways, I also wanted to tell you guys about some of the accessories real quick, just to give you an idea what you might want to put on there maybe. So I got bow strings on there, which we do sell and are affiliated with. They are based in Kentucky. I've got a Trophy Ridge sight on there. So it's the React HS. What's cool about this kind of sight is once you sight it into 20 and 30 yards, it is good up to 60. Based on how your bow's set up, it should be good up to 60. Pretty much when you move one of these pins, it moves all of them. So it kind of adjusts itself. I've got a Hamskea Epsilon arrow rest on here. It's a drop away arrow rest. I've got a B3 Hunter release. They're also based in Kentucky. And I've also got a Trophy Ridge Hitman 8-inch stabilizer on here. Guys, I just wanted to let you know about my setup. I also shoot gold tip arrows. Those have just always been my go-to. Obviously, there's a lot of other great choices out there, but if you come down to Louisville, you can talk to me or Dallas. I'm not always in archery, but I help out, and I like to talk about BowTech's a lot. Another thing you can do is you can go down to Bardstown. You can talk to Bryce. Bryce is all up here sometimes, and Daniel. Those are your main guys down there, and we will all be glad to talk to you about the new BowTech series.